How to completely reset your life in 30 days. Chapter 1. Day 1 to 7. The detox phase. Clear the noise. To reset your life, begin by creating space. Mentally, digitally, and physically. The first step is a digital detox. Remove social media apps from your phone, disable unnecessary notifications, and limit your screen time to essential tasks only. You're not quitting technology. You're reclaiming your focus. Start waking up at the same time every day. Ideally between 5 and 6 a.m. Early rising gives you quiet hours to work on yourself before the world wakes up. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for, 3 thoughts on your mind, and 1 task you will commit to completing that day. Your morning routine should be simple. Stretch or move your body, drink a full glass of water, and spend 10 minutes in silence or meditation. Physical detox follows. Cut out processed food, added sugar, alcohol, and junk. Eat whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, nuts. Don't chase perfection, just consistency. Every evening, reflect. What did you do well today? What could improve? What will you change tomorrow? Begin decluttering your physical space. Go room by room. Donate what you don't use. Organize everything that remains. A clear environment supports a clear mind. These first 7 days are about cleaning your inner and outer world. Removing distractions is not punishment. It's permission to finally focus on what truly matters. Chapter 2. Day 8 to 14. Discipline and identity. Rebuild from the core. Now that you've cleared the clutter, it's time to build a strong foundation. Choose 3 non-negotiables. Habits you will do every single day, no matter what. Examples: 30 minutes of movement, healthy meals, and 1 hour of focused work. Create a time-blocked daily schedule. Even if you work from home or have flexibility, treat your time like money. Don't waste it. Use the Pomodoro technique to train your brain. 25 minutes of focused effort, 5-minute break. Repeat. Replace mindless scrolling with intentional input. Watch educational YouTube videos. Listen to self-development podcasts. Read for 30 minutes daily. Choose 1 challenge that pushes you out of your comfort zone. Cold showers, daily runs, 10,000 steps, early wake-ups. Pick your edge. You're not just building habits, you're building grit. You're proving to yourself that you do hard things. Start speaking to yourself like someone you love. Silence the inner critic. Every time you show up, even in a small way, say, "I'm proud of me." Your identity is shifting, not because you said affirmations, but because you're stacking undeniable proof through action. This is how confidence is built. This is how self-trust is earned. Chapter 3. Day 15 to 21. Vision and direction. Design your future. Now that you're operating with more clarity and discipline, it's time to look ahead. Start by writing out your ideal day hour by hour, from the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep. Imagine your future self. Where do they live? How do they speak? What do they believe? What's their routine? Now reverse engineer it. What habits would this version of you have? What would they no longer tolerate? Set 3 90-day goals that would radically shift your life. Break each goal into weekly milestones and track your progress visually. Use a whiteboard, journal, or app. Create a simple morning review system. Today's focus, why it matters, and how you'll win the day. In the evening, reflect. What worked, what didn't, what needs adjustment? Begin addressing limiting beliefs. Write down the ones holding you back. I always quit. I'm not disciplined. I'll never succeed. Now rewrite them. I follow through. I am becoming more disciplined every day. I create my own success. Repeat these daily. Speak them out loud. The goal here is alignment. Not hustle, not grinding, not trying to do everything. Align your actions with your future self. Say no to anything misaligned. Every action, every thought, is a vote for the person you want to become. Chapter 4. Day 22 to 28. Execution mode. Own your energy. This week is about ruthless execution. You've cleaned your life, built routines, and clarified your vision. Now it's time to go all in. Start each day with focus. No checking your phone. No passive consumption. Instead, hydration, movement, silence, journaling, intention. Begin each task with full attention. Multitasking is a lie. Do one thing and do it well. Say no more often. No to time wasters. No to draining people. No to the old version of you. Reconnect with nature. Go on long walks without headphones. Observe the world in silence. Let nature ground you. Breathe deeply. You're not just doing more, you're doing better. Watch how you speak. Is your inner dialogue supportive or self-sabotaging? Speak like the person you want to become. Dress like them. Walk like them. Eat like them. Think like them. You are already becoming them. Your job is to reinforce that identity with every choice. Reflect deeply one day this week. Journal everything. How you feel, what's changed, what still needs work. Celebrate your wins. Adjust your systems. Refine your boundaries. This is your life. Not a dress rehearsal. You are responsible for what you tolerate. Protect your peace like your life depends on it, because it does. Chapter 5. Day 29 to 30. Review, reflect, rebuild. This is just the beginning. The final 2 days are for integration. Reflect on the entire journey. Look back at day 1. What were you thinking, feeling, doing? Compare that to now. What habits stuck? What beliefs shifted? What identity are you building? Write down everything that changed. Physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Journal what surprised you, what challenged you, and what inspired you. Now look forward. Set your next 30-day challenge. Maybe you want to go deeper into fitness, finances, focus, or relationships. Use the momentum you've built. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a lifestyle. You've proven to yourself that change is not only possible, it's predictable and sustainable. Real transformation doesn't come from motivation. It comes from action. Tiny, daily, unsexy actions done with intention. Over and over again. You're no longer the person who waits for the right time. You are the person who creates their own time. You are the author of your story. The pen is in your hand. Write something worth reading. Live something worth remembering. And never ever look back.